So this is going to be the last time that I'm addressing all 10 of you all together, because tomorrow we whittle it down to 5 and 5 of you all go home. After having worked on women's wear all these days, you all will now shift to the menswear category. Now you change category completely to knitwear. In this particular challenge, you are going to be given the PK Polo, which is what they use to make polo t-shirts with. So it's like a honeycomb knit. Various colors, various kind of patterns. But what is the challenge? It is to create something interesting and unique for men as the upper, also the lower if you wish to, because we don't want to restrict you. You're allowed to take 4 t-shirts. If at any point you feel that you need to take one more, you can discuss that with us and we will add one more to it. And of course, Natasha, you will get the advantage and you will get a minute extra. But a minute is a lot of time. So all the best for tomorrow and I'll see you all in the morning.
Today's task is we're supposed to make menswear out of knit fabric. Basically, we have been given old t-shirts out of which we're supposed to deconstruct and make something new. It either can be a top wear or a bottom wear.
My strategy is, because it's menswear, I'm going with simple is significant. So my whole thing is taking a basic t-shirt and wearing its silhouette and simplifying the garment, lesser lines. That's the general direction that I'm going with. Hopefully it should work out, because I feel like this is a more famous and a more general conception that, you know, less is generally better for men.
It's a difficult task here. We've got men's t-shirt and we need to design menswear. Interesting because it's menswear, something different than what we had done in last 2 tasks.
This is essentially about the particular fabric that we are talking right now, that's PK. And I think the color palette that I've chosen has a very sporty feel to it. Trends are like right now the most in thing and the most happening thing.
There is one thing special in my mind which I'm keeping in mind, that it should be commercial and I have to create something which is like sustainable, and if I'm making something like this, then after the show it should be like get stolen by somebody.
I had been lucky enough to finish this on time, so now I'm just giving it the best look I can give to impress the judges, that's it.
We're almost done. I've tried it on the model and he's quite comfortable with it. And I just have to give a finish, maybe another 10 minutes and I'm done.
It is a nice tricky way for the organizers to understand what is the versatile role of a designer. So for women's wear it's pretty easy, because you have a dress form, drape anything, cut anything, ultimately if it looks pretty it's done, the task is done. In menswear it's totally different. It's about fit, it's about little detailings, so it's a good test.
I think I'll be done in like next 10 minutes.
पीछे की साइड से करना, सामने नहीं, फ्रंट नहीं, बैक में स्टिच. हाँ, ऐसे ही करो. Okay. Yeah, rest is just 5 minutes left. I still have to do the fittings. Let's see what happens.
Okay, guys, here we are. Excited?
Yes.
This today could count for a lot. As I said to you yesterday, do well today. It's very, very close. Very, very close.
What I wanted to say to you guys was, making it to the top 10 itself was a huge achievement. You need to feel very proud about that. And now today we choose the top 5. And it's anybody's game. But all 10 of you would have learned something from this, and the takeaway from this contest has to be fantastic for every one of you. I need you all to hold on to that thought and to keep that mindset. So we're going to do their one-on-ones. You know that we're all going to hear about your backstories today. You're going to tell us something about yourselves.
So Arindam, you want to go first? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Kolkata. I have done my graduation in 2013 from NIF Kolkata. Then I joined Vision in Kolkata. It's a high-end couture line, women's wear. And then I'm planning to start my own label, clothing label. The name is Elytra.
That's good to hear, Indam. Thank you.
I have made one T-shirt inspired from the jacket construction. It's like the main focus is this collar. It's attached with a hood, and actually I have tried to create a futuristic look.
And you used part of it on the cuff as well, and your bag.
I have used this bag, the remaining T-shirt.
I like the way, like Prasad said, I didn't realize it wasn't a long sleeve garment to start with.
Yeah.
And then when I see the logo on the sleeve, I can see how you created that. So that's a good one.
And I like your peaked hood. I thought that was rather clever. Great, Arindam. We'll take it from their end. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am Rahul. I am a resident of West Bengal, but I grew up in Darjeeling in an all-boys boarding school. So throughout my life, since the time I was 6 years old, I have been out of my home. And post high school, I came to Gujarat, where I came to NIFT. Till the time I'm going to achieve, I don't stop. And as you said, if I'm going to go out from now, it's not going to be a demotivation. Definitely, it's a learning. It's something that I'm going to take back forever.
That's very interesting. Thanks, Rahul.
Thank you, Rahul.
I have taken 4 t-shirts, of which 2 are white. So I wanted to create an informal, jacket kind of, because when I personally, if I am my own client, I think of myself if there are many occasions where I might want to put on a jacket, but then the original jacket, it's so layered, it's so hard, it's difficult to maybe put it on. And I live in a place like Gujarat, it's hot. So I took a printed fabric, I took a striped fabric. So I wanted to create a kind of a play which is very light. It maybe adds on a little formal touch. At the same time, it's casual.
I like your basic idea of summer blazer, but I'm not so sure if box pleating works for men and so much of contrasty fabrics.
I really liked it then till it turned round. So I would lose the box pleating at the back.
Completely.
I just keep it simple at the back. I think it's I like this as soon as I saw it.
But well done. I think it's a great idea. And again, we look at execution, having to follow the idea clearly.
Yes.
Great.
Good effort. Well done.
Good. Thank you.
I'm still a student. I'm a third year and I'm doing textile and fashion. I never thought I'll be a fashion designer, never ever before. But after my second year, after I did the Karnataka Fashion Week, the Khadi culture with you, I felt maybe I should give it a try. I want to actually introduce Khadi and handlooms into our young generation today, which is not really wearing that.
So can we see your design today, please?
I wanted to give a casual look to the whole garment. One thing that you can wear it in all, as in whatever weather is there, and I wanted to create also a kind of swag thing. When and you put it on with these young college people who like to wear it. So that was my target audience.
You didn't create a placket for this when you did
No,
the front
actually
opening?
I did cut the whole shirt into 2 parts and I tried to stitch it because I wanted this part.
So how is the button holding, the front buttoning?
No, this is a whole t-shirt, as in this is, I didn't cut this.
You mean the t-shirt already had the
Yeah,
buttons
this
on it?
had the buttons. I have just colored it up
Oh, I see.
and all that. So this is like a whole part which I didn't cut. I just cut the sleeves and attached the sleeves and this hood.
Great, Devshri, that's nice. It's a very interesting thing. Maybe we'd make her rip off the sleeves and make it into a sleeveless top, Raz.
just a
It
gilet
would
or
look
something
very
like that.
nice, wouldn't it? Like a gilet? That's right. Try it anyway. You know that I'm going to make you all exercise the fact that you have to bring back your other clothes and improve them according to the suggestions we've made and the thoughts that you've had. But thank you, that's a great job, Devshri.
I am from Chandigarh, and after my 12th, I was very confused. My mom's like, you are too studious, you have to be a CA, and my dad's like, be a fashion designer. So I joined CA, and side by side, I applied for the entrance, and I was just
Fortunately.
speechless when I got cleared. I entered
NIFT.
fashion, yes, by NIFT from Punjab, North. Now I stay in Bangalore and I'm just taking it further. I've started my own label now, which was my ultimate goal.
That's lovely. Thank you, Natasha.
I've just tried to create a look which has a t-shirt inside with the attached jacket outside. Later, maybe for production, we can make it into 2 separate pieces, which will be really great for value of money. And it can be opened up. Yeah, and it can be used like this as an open feature.
I like the idea of the layering. The asymmetry doesn't really work in menswear for me. It's sort of, I'm finding a very feminine touch so far in all the designs I've seen. There's something a bit girly about the clothes, really, you know, Russ.
I like the asymmetric look. For me, that's okay. It's quite a trend. I maybe wouldn't have done it on the back. Maybe that's a little bit too much. And your labeling and your button, yes, you're trying to get a little signature there as well.
Thank you.
Great, Natasha. Thank you.
Thanks.
So, Sandhya, how are you today?
Good, sir. Thank you.
Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, please?
Yeah, I'm a commerce graduate with a fashion technology background. So, 20 years ago, I had this dream of becoming a fashion designer. It was unfulfilled because of personal reasons. I had to give it up. And then I have been pursuing, I'm a visual artist, a self-taught artist pursuing art for the past decade. And last, I think in July, I had my work was selected and displayed on the billboards of New York.
That's amazing. Congratulations, that's fantastic.
It's a lovely story.
Can we see your design, please?
Here I have created a simple, it's a do-it-yourself kind of a thing. So I just took a polo t-shirt, I just turned it around, put a stitch there, cut it, and then this is actually, if he's like, this is how he look. I think he still looks cool. Now if he wants to get in the kitchen, maybe do something for himself, maybe just do an omelette or
It
something.
was an apron.
So he just
It was a
has to
good
pull it
message
out.
going.
Yeah, pull it out.
The tabard that you've made in blue, which you worn over, is the only piece you worked on. The underpiece
There's a
or the
separate
tabard.
piece.
And this shirt, what work?
This
have you-
shirt, I've just used a little bit of my art here. So use a little bit of creativity, bring in more color, throw in colors, make it look new. You can still use it.
It's a good joke. I can't see Megamart giving you an order for 1,000 of these, but it's a good
It's
bit of
fun.
fun for what we're doing today
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm from Bombay, born and brought up in Bombay. Since the time I've taken the decision of getting into this field, I'm on my own. I have done hard work day and night. Even as a student, I remember I have even done part-time jobs and worked even in my holidays and struggled. I'm just 24 right now, but with 6 years experience in this field already. I feel proud to be here, and I think my family feels good too.
That's great. That's wonderful. So we'll take a look at what you've done today.
Here I've created a sporty look, a sportswear garment for like luxury sports. So I've played with lines. I wanted to give a line effect to it, illusion of lines passing through. So this is what the look is, and I've played with these geometric lines in such a way that it's plain in the front, and the back I have patched it. So you know, it's like a mitring patch which follows again in the front and joins again in the shoulder. So this is like a solid which turns into a linear in the front. So it just gels together very well.
You know what's made today so interesting, and this week so interesting, is to see the different approaches that you've all made. From something that's quite simple, minimal, I think was the word you used, to other things that are much more dramatic and so forth. I like this. Well
Okay,
done.
that's lovely.
Lovely.
Thank you.
So well, growing up, I grew up in south of India in Chennai, and then we ended up moving to Delhi, and then from there we moved to Saudi Arabia, and then we moved back to Tamil Nadu, and then back to the city in Chennai. As of my future in the fashion industry, I'm still young, and I'm analyzing, maybe over-analyzing this whole thing, and trying to figure out exactly where I fit as of now. But I'm just taking life as it comes. So that's how things are going.
But that's great, Royston. That's very interesting.
So we were given polos, and I decided to go in a casual sport direction. So for the top, I thought there's nothing more interesting than redesigning a polo, and rather than complicating it, I wanted to keep it a little simple, but a little progressive and edgier. So what I ended up doing was, I slimmed down the collar and I shaped it over there. I gave the sleeves a little more tight muscle fit, and the bottoms over here, I had this other really nice striped fabric, and I thought it had a very nice beach look to it, maybe like a sort of summery look. So went ahead and made those pockets, and I added functional flaps.
I think the shots are brilliant. It's just the most amazing piece I've seen.
I love the fact that you've done a pair of shorts. The shorts are
I want those shorts.
one of the best things that we've seen. If I have a tiny criticism, it's a tiny criticism. You've not really the two garments don't quite
Mesh
go
together.
together for me. Maybe if you'd have used, if you had the fabric available, one of those blues as the stripe, I think it would have just pulled
The whole ensemble
outfit
together.
and maybe that asymmetry. Well done. Great effort.
Good, Royston.
I am basically brought up in Bangalore here, and I'm a final year student from Vogue. And fashion has always been my passion since I was in 6th grade. And my best point was styling. I was very good at it. And talking about my background, my parents have been very supportive, especially Dad. He wants me to do exactly what I want to do. Everything else is going well.
That's lovely.
So can we see your design today, please?
I have tried to maintain the classic t-shirt look, and I have done graphic work, which is in the front and the back.
So these are
Painted.
two pieces that you
Yes,
split
I've
apart
totally
and
used
joined.
3 shirts, and I've split apart 2 shirts and done the graphic on the 3rd shirt, and then it's stitched on that.
I like it very much.
It's a very commercial,
work
very
well,
beautiful
It's
piece.
simple, it's easy to wear, it's commercial. Again, I think it's simple, but it's well executed. It's a good commercial style. Well done.
Nice. Well done.
I am originally from UP. Since my childhood, I was very clear what I want to do, and I was like very straight to my father that this is the thing I like, this is the thing I don't like. So when I was like in 5th standard, I said that I want to be a fashion designer, and my father was like, okay, let's see, after 12th we'll figure it out, you won't be like this. So but I was like serious about it. Then I did my 12th, and then I went like applied for the opening, and I joined Symbiosis, which is in Pune, and I've just now completed my designing, and I'm here.
That's nice. We'll take a look at your design now.
So when I got this task, I was thinking I will make something simple, but there should be some interesting detailings happening, so that the person is like, he's simple, he's wearing simple garment who can be like tied up with all different attires, but at the same time, the person who is looking at him, he's like, okay, there is something interesting in your outfit. So I've used this for like a like it's visible, but at the same time it's not like on your face. So it's the detailing which is happening from since here, and it's there in the seam lines, as you can see. And there's a double collar thing, so it's like double placket over here. And in this I've used two shirts, polo shirts. So I cut down the first one and I attached it from here, and then I fold it. So it's like it can be pulled up also, and it looks different, and it can like pull it down. So it's like a different color happening.
I love it. I absolutely love it. For me, it's got I can see a European influence in there. The minute I saw it, I thought Zara. The clever use, the modern use of styling, the minimalism, it's almost perfect.
And beautiful colors too.
It's almost perfect, you know. I could put that straight into a Megamart store and...
Right. It's a clever piece. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you.
I've been born and brought up in a small town in UP by the name of Allahabad. It's quite popular for its religious bent. And post-school, I headed to Delhi looking for a career opportunity because I was quite confused what I'd want to choose as a career. I was a low grader in school, backbencher. So in Delhi, I explored a few things that could have the vibe or kick. So I had this thing, affinity towards colors and all. So I ended up with a training institute where I got to know about fashion school and fashion as a career. So I took it up, and post that I landed in Bangalore for NIFT. So that's a brief about me.
So what do you have to show us today?
What I've basically done is I've taken patterns of two fronts, quilted them together. I wanted the raw edges to be seen so that the little splash of the other color is also there. I gave it a white piping, and the plackets of the collars I basically used it as a under placket. So I mean it's like a jacket.
Where did you get that yellow from? Is it part of another
It was a
t-shirt?
part of this.
But it's a good effort. It's a good effort. It shows a lot of ideas in there. You could probably get 3 or 4 different garments out of all the ideas that you've got.
But to me, the design does not work at all. It just looks like a paper cut out in a funny way, you know. But the quilting is a great idea, so well done on that. Thank you.
Okay, we've had a great day today. Another great day. Well done. Fantastic.
Thank you.
We've seen so many different ideas, from sort of quite European minimalism to some quite wacky stuff as well. We were so impressed today that actually we've decided to nominate not just 1, but 2 winners. So well done. So thanks for the effort. Firstly, Pooja. Well done.
Well done, Pooja.
Great effort.
Joint winner category. For the first time, we are splitting the prize among 2. And I think Pooja really won for her top, and winning for his bottom is Royston. And now comes the time to compute the top 5. So let's see who's made it to the top 5.
Any ideas from any of you? Anybody feel super confident? Anybody not so? No, you just want to hear, don't you? You just want to hear. You don't want me to string it out? Okay, I'll tell you. After 4 tasks, in 3rd place, Royston. Congratulations. You go through to the next stage. In 2nd place, Neha.
Well done, Neha.
And at the halfway stage, with the highest number of votes after four tasks, Pooja. Well done.
The other 7 on stage, please. 2 places left to fill. Come forward, Shekhar. We'd like to talk to you.
Shekhar, you've done good work today. You've done good work all week. You've always been there or thereabouts. Good, consistent standard. So thank you for that. But I'm sorry, you'll not be going through into the next round.
Thank you, Shekhar. Sonali, please step forward. I've liked your work, I've liked your passion, I've liked the way you've approached your tasks. It's all come together very well. And I think that you have a great future ahead of you.
Learn from what you've gone through, yeah? You have a future. This is only just one small step in it. But the votes are in, and I am afraid you're not going through to the next round. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonali.
Sandhya, come forward, please. Sandhya, we've seen some really fun things from you this week. Yeah, your personality's really come through very strongly.
And you know, Sandhya, it's just wonderful the way you pursue what you choose to pursue, and I think that's why you'll always be a success. I'm sorry to say that you haven't made it to the top 5 in this contest, but you definitely are someone whom I'll always remember. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Natasha, it's been interesting watching you. We really think that you've developed. We think you started a little slowly.
You know, your experience has stood you in very good stead because you've done the things that I also feel every designer should go through. Working with a designer, working with a brand, working in retail. These are, you know, learning experiences, and that's why you've made it to top 5. So take your seat over here.
Well done. Deoshri, please come forward. I think, like we've just said, we've also seen with you, we've seen a little bit of ups and downs.
In this particular contest, I don't have great news for you because you've not made it to the top 5. But I wish you all the best, and I'm expecting to see you again very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Will both of you all step forward, please? Because only one of you is going to go through and one goes home.
Rahul, your work was consistent. Yeah, you did good work every day. And we were impressed with that. We liked that. Arindam, you didn't start well, but you improved. And Arindam, of course you are. Congratulations. Well done, guys. Thank you so much. Great job.